Hey everyone, I am so excited today to share with you one of my favorite recipes, and most requested recipes, by the way, too. This is called cottage cheese protein pudding. And if you hate cottage cheese, you're gonna change your mind, because this is gonna fill you up, load you with protein, and make you feel like you got away with murder. Isn't that what it's all about? Isn't that what I always tell you? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. In a Ninja blender, we're gonna add 2 cups of fat-free cottage cheese. It's already in there. Then we're gonna add 5 cups of almond milk, already in there. To that, we're gonna add 2 scoops of chocolate protein powder. Okay, yummy already. Then we're gonna add a whole box of Jello pudding, chocolate pudding. That's it right here. In we go, okay? Now we're making a nice mess. And then we're gonna add, this is very important, 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum, not tablespoons, because you talk more than this all week. Then you can add that in there. Okay, now we'll get this whole thing in there. It's ready to go. We gotta throw the lid on the Ninja, carefully, safely, lock her down, and then we're gonna blend this thing for 3 minutes, okay? All right, all done. Now we're gonna take a look at our concoction. We gotta, oh, look at this consistency. We got pudding. Look at that. Look at that consistency and that texture. Isn't that delicious? You're gonna love this, okay? Well, before I make a big friggin' mess, let me tell you what's in here, what the macronutrients are. The ingredients that I made here makes 9 cups. And in 9 cups, the entire batch is 1,035 calories. It's 115 calories per cup. There's 13 grams of protein in each cup, 11 carbs, and 1.3 grams of fat. One serving for me is 2 cups. So that gives me 230 calories, about the same as a protein bar, with 26 grams of protein. That's amazing, and 3 grams of fat. Okay, so now we got our pudding, but if you want to get funky and you want to add some more flavor to it, you can add a little bit of this Walden Farms chocolate sauce. No calories, no hit, no foul. Then you got PB2. 70 calories for 2 tablespoons. It's delicious, it's like eating peanut butter. So that's the recipe for today. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please get back to me on this video and be ready for the next one. Thank you.